Welcome to Istanbul, the only city in the world that straddles two continents, Europe and Asia. It's where ancient empires, spiritual traditions, and modern energy collide in the most breathtaking way. Whether you're a history buff, a foodie, or just someone chasing magical sunsets, this city will capture your heart. In this ultimate Istanbul travel guide, we'll take you deep into the top 10 places you absolutely must visit. We'll uncover stories, tips, and secrets locals know. So grab a Turkish tea, sit back, and let's explore the soul of Turkey. Hit that subscribe button and turn on the bell notification so you never miss a moment of travel magic. From hidden gems and local secrets to breathtaking views and unforgettable adventures, we're taking you to the world's most stunning destinations, one secret at a time. Your next favorite place is just one video away. Number 1, Hagia Sophia, Hagia Sophia. Once a cathedral, later a mosque, then a museum, and now once again a mosque. The Hagia Sophia is 1,500 years of history under one giant dome. Built in 537 AD by Emperor Justinian, it stood as the world's largest cathedral for nearly 1,000 years. Inside, gaze up at the enormous dome, over 100 feet wide, and spot Christian mosaics peeking through Islamic calligraphy. Travel tip: visit early in the morning or during late evening to avoid crowds. Entry is free, but remember, it's a place of worship now, so dress modestly. Best photo spot? Outside by the fountain with Hagia Sophia towering behind. Number 2, the Blue Mosque, Sultan Ahmed Mosque. Right across from Hagia Sophia is this masterpiece of Ottoman architecture. Built in the early 1600s, the Blue Mosque is famous for its 6 minarets, a bold move at the time. Step inside and be dazzled by over 20,000 hand-painted blue Iznik tiles, giving the mosque its nickname. Women will need a headscarf to enter, available for free at the entrance. Fun fact, the mosque still functions today, so plan around prayer times. At sunset, the courtyard glows golden, perfect for slow-motion shots and storytelling reels. Number 3, Topkapi Palace. Imagine standing in the very halls where Ottoman sultans ruled an empire spanning 3 continents. Explore the harem, Imperial Treasury, where you'll see the spoonmaker's diamond, and the Sacred Relics Room, home to items belonging to the Prophet Muhammad, P.B.U.H. Local tip: get the Museum Pass Istanbul to skip lines and save money. Don't miss the Palace Terrace. The view of the Bosphorus is fit for royalty. Number 4, Grand Bazaar, Kapalı Çarşı. Ready to get lost in a labyrinth of color, culture, and chaos? With over 4,000 shops, this is one of the oldest covered markets in the world. It's been buzzing since the 15th century. What to buy? Turkish carpets, hand-painted ceramics, lanterns, leather goods, spices, and gold jewelry. Bargaining is expected. Just do it with a smile. Bonus: interview a shopkeeper for a local story. Many have been there for generations. Number 5, Bosphorus Cruise. Nothing feels quite like sailing the Bosphorus, the strait that splits Istanbul between 2 continents. You'll glide past Ottoman palaces, ancient fortresses, and waterfront mansions. Choose between a short city line cruise, 1 to 2 hours, or a full-day trip to the Black Sea. Grab a simit, Turkish sesame bagel, and Turkish tea for the ride. Pro tip: the golden hour on the water, pure magic. Number 6, Galata Tower, approx 5 minutes. This medieval tower is one of Istanbul's most iconic sights, and climbing it rewards you with a 360-degree view of the city's skyline. Built in 1348 by the Genoese, it's a symbol of Istanbul's rich international past. Buskers fill the surrounding Galata streets with music, and the narrow lanes are full of cute cafes and vintage shops. Don't miss the panoramic shot of the Bosphorus, Hagia Sophia, and minarets rising over the rooftops. Come at sunset for breathtaking golden views. Number 7, Dolmabahce Palace. Luxury, elegance, and European flair meet Ottoman tradition here. This palace was home to the final sultans and later the great Mustafa Kemal Ataturk. Inside, the world's largest Bohemian crystal chandelier, rooms lined with gold and silk, and staircases made of baccarat crystal. shoes off inside, wear the provided slippers. Located right on the Bosphorus, you'll feel like you're in a royal dream. Number 8. Süleymaniye Mosque. Built by Mimar Sinan, the Michelangelo of the East, this mosque is quieter than the Blue Mosque, but equally beautiful. Peaceful gardens, stunning domes, and breathtaking views of the Golden Horn make it a perfect escape from the crowds. Nearby cafes offer Turkish coffee with a view, a great place to journal or unwind. You might even hear a live call to prayer echoing through the hills. Number 9. Spice Bazaar. Mısır Çarşısı. Let your senses go wild. The Spice Bazaar is smaller than the Grand Bazaar, but packed with flavor and aroma. Sample saffron, sumac, dried fruits, Turkish delight, and herbal teas. It's a sensory journey, perfect for foodies. Tip: buy vacuum-packed spices to bring home. Vendors are happy to let you sample. It's also a photographer's dream. Vibrant, colorful, lively. Number 10. Istiklal Street and Taksim Square. This is the modern heartbeat of Istanbul. Theater performers, live music, cafes, art galleries, bookstores, and more line this buzzing pedestrian avenue. Don't forget to hop on the nostalgic red tram. It's a ride straight out of the past. Try local street food like midye dolma, stuffed mussels, or roasted chestnuts. Great for souvenir shopping, from indie designers to global brands. Stay till nightfall. The energy transforms into nightlife, neon, and celebration. So there you have it. 10 unforgettable places that make Istanbul one of the most exciting and soulful cities in the world. Whether you're wandering ancient palaces, sipping tea by the Bosphorus, or losing yourself in a bazaar, Istanbul has something for everyone. Which place would you visit first? Drop a comment below. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, hit the bell icon so you never miss an adventure. More Turkey travel guides are on the way, from Cappadocia to Pamukkale. Teşekkürler for watching. And as we say in Turkey, hoşça kalın. Hello, Turkey.